Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hoover. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the car. So as you might be aware, Bertie's in the not the chop shop, the body shop, getting his repairs done. So we got this hire car through the insurance. So we're going up to Ripon today on a little trip to go and pick up a vacuum cleaner that I purchased back in December, but was unable to come and go and pick it up until today. So it is 2:10 on Sunday, the whatever the date is. Hubby's just gone to get some stock up on some soft drinks for the journey, and then we're going to head off up to Ripon. The dogs are in the back, you can't see them, but they're there in the back. And yes, so we're off to pick up the vacuum. So let's get on with the journey. We are now leaving Grantham. So there we go, my little whippersnappers. We are here in Ripon in, was it West Yorkshire? I don't know. Up north. And there in the back, you can't see, just about, there we go. That's the turbo power we picked up. So we are just going to reset the sat nav and make our way back. Which, yeah, it'll take us about 2 hours, I reckon, to get home. So yes, see you in a minute. Okay, it's 6 o'clock and we're back. We have a McDonald's ready for tea, and we'll go inside and I'll show you. Ooh, darkness. Hang on. There we go. We go inside, and after we've had our tea, we'll take a look at the vac. Here we are back in the garage. It is the next day, because last night by the time we got in and fed the dogs and wherever, it was just too late and we wanted to watch some TV and eat tea. So that's all I did, was bring it out to the car and leave it in the garage, in the living room. So here it is. This is the Hoover Turbopower Junior that we went up to Ripley to get. Now, I haven't tried it, I haven't tested it, I've been waiting to do it today. So if I just take this cord, a bit knotted up on it, there we go. So it's got the matching beige cord, which is in perfect condition. Yep, it's got an original plug. It's got an MK plug on it that they bought for it. Now, what makes me believe that this is special is because of the hook. If you look here, this has got the hook rather than the twist thing that it had. Now I have one upstairs which is similar to this, which I think is the newer version of this, because this has this hook, which I think Roger on Ibasiac, if you go and check out his channel, he has one as well that was in the original box. I think there was another vacuum, but it was in that box. I can't remember. If you go back, and on the picture of the box, it's got this hook. And I remember him saying something about it being, he can never remember the vacuum having that hook on it. So I think this might be an early one. I don't know. So it's got here on the bag, it's got its original Hoover Turbopower Junior bag. Now, on the bag here, for some reason, not for some reason, I know, the hook is actually broken. So what the person has done is actually got a safety pin clasped onto this, so you can just onto the zip, so you can just do that, and the teeth are a bit dodgy on it, but that'll come with a wash. And there's the bag on the inside, and the inside of it, let me bring you guys closer because it's a bit of a mess. Okay, so I brought you guys closer to take a look at this, because the inside of the bag, if you can see, it's just absolutely full of dirt. So I'm going to take this bag off for starters and just get rid of it. And today we're using Hetty. So I'm going to take Hetty Okay, now that's cleaned out all the muck from inside it. Excuse me. Let's turn it over. The bottom cord hook is missing on it. There's a lot of the brush. Excuse me. The belt is a bit loose on it. But the underneath of it, apart from being a bit dusty and can do with a good wash, is in not bad condition. It's got nice side bristles to it. Excuse me. Ugh. So this will definitely benefit from a good clean. I'm just going to take these bottom screws out and have a look inside. Right, now I really can't do much with it because I got none of my stuff. I still need to finish organising the garage with all my stuffs all over the shop, so I can't get at my belts or anything at the moment. So this is literally just the first look. Let me put these screws back in. So there we go. So I can't even get to my bags. Oh, actually, can I? Hang on, I think I got a spare bag. Hang on a sec. Well, this is the only one I can come across for now, so I'll just pop this in. Let me just fold it up and put the bag slide on. There we go, matching tops. I match my vacuum bags to what I'm wearing. I don't. Right, okay, let me pop this on. That's nice and tight. Excellent. Close this up. I will fix this. Oop, you can't see, hang on. There we go. I'll fix this topper better. But for now, I'll just do what he's done. Use the zip. And a safety pin. Right, okay, let's give it a go. Turn it around. I don't know if this is on or off, I have no idea. Okay, I think that might be off. Let's have a look. No, the brush roll is not even turning. The brush roll on it is stretched to heaven, so there's no way that I can actually test it at the moment because the brush roll, but at least the motor works. I mean, it sounds fine. The motor actually sounds really good. A bit dry, but that'll be fine after a bit of oiling. And there's good airflow on it. The airflow on it's pretty good. So there we go. Let's have a look for the sticker on it. And then you guys can tell me then when it was made. So we got Hoover model U1100, serial number U1100 3070056, 400 watts, made in the UK by Hoover PLC. I can see a lot of dirt down here in the fan part here where the air comes out from the fan, so but it's not in that bad a condition, to be honest. For its age, it will come up really well, and I'm really pleased because of this cord hook thing. So you guys can tell me about the cord hook, and if you can date it for me, that would be fan-dabby-dozy. Hang on, you're on a bit of a slant there, hang on. There. So there we go, that is it. That is the road trip. Excuse me, a bit delayed because it's today that I'm finishing this, but it was fun. Now the seller, pit stop parts. I thought when we were getting there, I thought I recognise this place. We have been there before and picked up another vacuum cleaner. Which one? I really don't know. I can't remember which one it was, but we've definitely been up there to pick up another vacuum cleaner before, earlier in the year. But we both recognised the place. It's literally just off the A1. It was literally like 2 minutes off the A1 all the way up to Ripon. Okay, so there we go. That is it. That is my Hoover Turbopower Junior done and dusted on our lovely road trip. I hope you've enjoyed this video. So I will do a full refurb of this now, and the other ones all waiting. I just need the weather to get a bit warmer so that I can be with the door open and ventilation and a bit warmer, to be honest. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please join me for the next video, where I think I will be unboxing another American vacuum cleaner, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.